computer graphics class. I'm sick and I can't be there right now. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. So this isn't all starting off the way I wanted, but we're going to try it this way. So pay attention, watch. Your final project this week goes from Monday to Thursday unless you get it done sooner than that. If you get to my website and you click on this link that says final project, here's how it works. In the Photoshop section, you're going to have to do one of these three. In the Illustrator section, you're going to have to do one of these three. In the Flash section, you'll have to do one of these three. You could actually use After Effects or Flash. In the Miscellaneous section, you could do one or more. The project is worth 100 points. Whatever you choose out of the Photoshop section is worth 30, 30 here in the Illustrator, 30 here in the Flash. So that's 30, 30, 30. That's 90. Where's your other points going to come from? They're going to come from down here. These little 10 and 20 pointers round out your final project. You're shooting for 100 points. You're trying to get 100 points, an A+. There's the opportunity for bonus, 120 points maximum. Now here's the thing. The Photoshop assignments require some files, and I'm not there to send them. So we're not going to start those today. Same thing is true with the Flash section. It requires some files. I'm not there to send them. Some of the miscellaneous options require some files, so I'm not going to send them. Or I'm not there to send them today, so probably won't be starting this. There's a couple of things down here you could do, but here's what I want you to concentrate on today. These Illustrator options right here, they don't require any files that I need to send. You could get started. You have to do one of them anyway, so you could get started by picking one of these three today and go to work on it and see if you can get it done. Now here they are, designing a robot. All the requirements are right here. There we go. There's not a ton of requirements there. We get back to that. Has to be done entirely inside of Illustrator. Don't copy and paste from the web. Has to include a head, body, legs, feet, arms, and hands, and include also some gauges, dials, things like that. So a little bit of detail. If you want to see an example of one, here's one that I made. Yours does not have to look like mine, but that's the kind of thing that we're shooting for. If you want a little help, I've posted a movie. We're going to look at your first. And if you watch this movie, it's about 7 minutes long. It gives you some hints and tips and some things that would help you make the robot. Now the same thing is true with the monkey and the minion. On the monkey, the requirements are listed right here. There's an example right here. And there is a movie, a link for a movie right here. Your second Illustrator option. And this movie lasts about 8 minutes, and it would give you some hints and tips about things to help you get the monkey done. If the same thing is true for the minion, requirements are listed here. Please pay attention to the requirements. Examples are, an example is here. There's a movie here. Your third option in Adobe that could help you with by giving you some hints and tips. It's a little bit longer. It's an 11-minute movie. So that's what you can start with today. Well, hopefully I'll be back tomorrow and I can help kind of set up the rest of, the Photoshop option, the Flash option, the miscellaneous options. But you can start today on the Illustrator. Make sure these are Illustrator options. These are not Photoshop. They're Illustrator. One last thing I'm going to show you. Loading up Firefox right now. these final project items have been added to your My Big Campus list. And again, the one that I am asking you to make an effort to get started on today is the Computer Graphics Final Illustrator option, where you choose, and please understand you don't have to do all three of these, you pick one, the robot or the monkey or the minion. Alright, so that's what we're looking at today. You can get started on your final project by working on the Illustrator section of the final project. Choose one and see if you can go to work on that. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow.